The Al-Basar International Foundation, with funding from Saudi Arabia's King Salaman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center, on Thursday launched a free cataract surgery eye camp at the Ibn Sina Health Center in Pakote. Amid increasing demand for free cataract screening and surgery, hundreds of patients arrived to benefit from the benevolent gesture. Dr. Ashraf Dawood, a member of the medical team from Al-Basar International Foundation, underscored the trust placed in the eye care services his team has rendered to Gambians over the past decades. Dr. Ashraf hailed their partners for supporting the initiative, explaining that 400 patients are targeted for cataract surgery during the one-week camp.
Eye camp lasts about 20 years, we continue every year. Now this time this camp is organized by King Salman Foundation and also is facilitated by the Africa Muslim Agency. We have done camp now start today till 3 December. During this time we will do this surgery more than 400 cataract surgery. Cataract is latest technology, phaco surgery. Phaco means without sutureless surgery, no connect suture. And these also and the OPD starts from today till 2 December.
The Kuwaiti-based humanitarian body Direct Aid is spearheading the coordination of the service, according to Direct Aid's communication officer Ansumana Kinte.
King Salman, through Direct Aid, the Gambia office, have organized a free one-week-long cataract camp for patients who are suffering from cataract. The camp is starting from today, Thursday, the 27th of November, and it will run through up to the Tuesday, the 2nd of December 2025. We are calling on all the people, or Gambian population, to bring our people that are suffering from particularly cataract. But before we go further, we would like to thank the government through the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Interior. Interior, particularly Immigration, and Health, particularly the Department of Health Services, and Sexide Regional Eye Hospital for facilitating and making this camp a reality today. We also want to thank the government for creating the enabling environment, King Salman Foundation, for their benevolence to the people of this country. We know every year King Salman and Direct Aid go around the continent, particularly where Direct Aid offices are present in Africa in 32 different countries, to give support to people who are suffering from eye problems. So we want to thank the sponsors on behalf of the patients and on behalf of my office Direct Aid for their benevolence.
The first day of the eye camp involved the screening of patients to identify those whose cataract is due for surgery. Their blood pressure and sugar levels are tested before the procedure. Others are given eye drops and reading glasses. The patients we spoke to renewed their trust and confidence in the free cataract surgery offered by Al-Basar International over the years. Some of them explained that they are here to get their second eye treated, saying the first surgery was successful and their vision is clear. They also expressed their appreciation to King Salaman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center for their intervention, as they call on philanthropists to continue partnering with Al-Basar International Foundation in this gesture.
Opération bët bi sant naa yàlla baax na gis naa torop te temps boobu duma deen gis dara télé sax duma ko dee ñemee seetaan.
The free cataract surgery camp is expected to last for a week. Khadijatu Jallow reporting.